and welcome back to the channel. Today we're just having a little bit of a look at what we've got in our workshop. As you can see to the left of me is a stunning Audi R8 V10 Plus. This one's from an existing customer who used to have an RS4 B9 with us that wasn't very stock, and this one's not going to stay stock for very long. This particular one's in with us today for a full service, which consists of pollen filter, oil and filter change, air filter, spark plugs, and also a full vehicle inspection. And is also having some lowering springs fitted. This particular customer's chosen the H&R ones, so we'll see that a little bit later on in the video. As you can see, we've got another one behind us. This one is a V10 Performance. So this particular customer of ours has been with us for a very long time. His fleet at the minute consists of an RS3, RS7, RSQ8, and now this is a new one to his fleet. So we're doing him a full vehicle health inspection as a new owner. The reason for having a full vehicle health check or an inspection as such when you're a new owner is very important. Now, this gentleman did call me earlier on and say there's something didn't feel right with this car. A lot of companies will tell you that they've had a pre-inspection before they sell them and put them on the forecourt. However, with this particular one, on closer inspection, we have noticed that the driver's side front and rear shocks are both leaking, and I'm not sure what else we're going to find just yet. that's it for the R8 today. We've got the V10 Plus and the V10 Performance. Which one's for you? If you'd like to inquire about any of the services that I have spoken about today, whether you own an R8 or even a Golf, and you want to ask any questions, any more information, please don't hesitate to give us a quick call.